The Pasir Gudang City Council, MBPG, Malay, Majlis Bandaraya Pasir Gudang, is a local authority which administrates Pasir Gudang in Johor Bahru District, Johor, Malaysia. This agency is under Johor state government. MBPG is responsible for public health and sanitation, waste removal and management, town planning, environmental protection and building control, social and economic development and general maintenance functions of urban infrastructure. The MBPG main headquarters is located at Pasir Gudang. Formerly known as Pihak Berkuasa Tempatan Pasir Gudang, PBTPG, Pasir Gudang Local Authority, a subsidiary of Johor Corporation, J Corp. It is the first local authority in Malaysia that was privatized, although Johor Corporation is the investment arm of the Johor state government. This agency was granted municipal status on August 2, 2010 and named Pasir Gudang Municipal Council, MPPG, Malay, Majlis Bandaraya Pasir Gudang. On November 22, 2020, it was upgraded to City Council called Pasir Gudang City Council, MBPG, Malay, Majlis Bandaraya Pasir Gudang. Finance and Administration, Kewanganan Pentadbiran. Corporate and Public Relations, Corporate and Perhubungan. Treasury, Perbendaharan. Contract and Quantity Survey, Contract and Ukur Bahan. Enforcement, Penwatkawasan. Urban Services, Perkhidmatan Bandar. Information Technology, Technology Naklamat. Building, Bangbunan. Engineering, Kejurudaran. Social and Community, Kemasayarakadan. Management Services, Kinmat Pengyarosan. Property Management, Pengyarosan Harta. Valuation, Penalayan. Urban Planning, Parankangan Bandar. Pasir Gudang Parliament Constitution Erbiru 1. Erbiru 2. Erbiru 3. Mawar. Dahlia. Sandana. Nusa Damaya. Tamaan Scientex. Flora Heights to Brown Parliament Constitution Pasir Putih. Tanjung Puteri Resort. Kota Masai 1. Kota Masai 2. Kota Masai 3. Kopak. Kohaya Baru. Kong. Air Putih. Sungkay Tiram. Bandar Seri Alam. Masai.